Hello guys, ngayon ang video natin ngayon ay Murder Mystery 2. Ito ay pinakamagandang, not pinaka, pero magandang laro dito sa Roblox. Ito sa pinakamaganda. Kaya let's go. Let's go na. Okay, we have to wait. Paano tayo mag-inspect dito? Okay, then. Ah. Oh no. Okay. Skepede. Toilet. Ha? Ano yun? Ang pangat ng spell. Daming bacons. The first bacon. The second. The third. The fourth. The fifth. And the pogi. This is the pogi one, and there's so many noobs. Okay, skip the toilet. Oh no, please. Oh, innocent. Ba't yung paa mo nandyan? Are you a hacker? Hacker siya. Kaya huwag tayo lalapit dyan. Because he's not great hacker. Oh. Ganda ng sword niya ito, pero maybe. Ba't may mga paa lumalabas? What? Ano yun? Are you the hacker? Ba't may mga hacker dito? 3 hacks. Oh no! Oh no! What did they do to you? Oh no! Ito yung kanyang organs. Ayan. This is his brain. Brain. And then something. Ting-tang. And then something na hindi ko suspicious. May paano naman. Ayan Wow! See? Oh no! Oh no! No! No, please don't. Oh no! Oh no! What? Zombies. We gotta hide. Meron na tayong 6,450 na survival XP. Pag yun umabot ng 1,000, we are officially pro. No! What did they do to you? No! Anong ginawa nyo sa kanya? Hali kayo dito, paarapin ko na kayo. Pero may mga zombie. You got something in you know. And ikaw ay magiging zombie na rin. Sabi mo, I'm a zombie. I'm a zombie. I'm a zombie. Hala zombie ka na. Okay. Spider. I think hindi tayo mamamatay dito. Even nag-hack sila, tayo pa rin ang best player. Haha. Oo, kaya pala di sila nagkakamatayan kasi ito ang hacker, kapatid niya yung isang hacker. See? The fly is there. No! Ito ay hindi edited. Again! Yun na naman. It's so very madaya. I hate this game. Ano ba yan? Ba't ganito? Hindi na sa akin pinapamurder. Pag tayo nag-murder, I will kill. Oh, see? Ganito lang ginawa niya, gumanon siya. Ting-tot. Maybe it's a Halloween because is he a ghost? Oh no, I think see? A real ghost in real life. No, don't not touch me. I just found a real ghost in real life. Ito, mawawala yan. Ito, mawawala yan. Oh, see? It's gone. Oh, see? No. I will hide. Please. 2-5. 2-6. Ay. Okay. Okay, let's say hi. Say hi. Okay, nag-hi siya, kaso bigla siya nawala. Ikaw. I'm playing. Oh. Oh no. No, please. No, he died. No. No, you did.
Woo! Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about.
He's in my head. Now he's my friend. Lovely music. Okay, let's go. No! Oh, give me this. Okay, I think kailangan natin maging... Oh! Ace. Maybe you are the murderer.
미션 실패.
No! I found the murderer! Now we're friends. Yes, friend na kami guys, no? Oh no. Oh no, why did you kill her? Hala, no. No. What? What? Why did you do that? What? Why did you kill? Why did you kill? Killing is bad. Oh, a knife. Okay, because we're rich, I will buy. 399 lang. Napakamura. Okay, and buy. Okay guys, binay na natin. Binay na natin. Okay. Oh no. Effects. Powers. Powers. Paano malis to? I'm faster. I'm stronger. I'm better. Oh, oh no. Girl para siya. Ito ata yung nag-hack eh. This is the hacker one. We will get revenge. For now, I'm done. Napakasama niya. Hindi na siya. We will not are still gonna be friends with her. I became... No! Oh no! Why I keep... See? 16 now. Hintayin pa nila maging 100 yan bago ako gawing murder. Ba't nandiyan yung paa mo? Are you the murderer? Ikaw ba yung murderer? Say to me not. Oh no! Oh shit! Oh shish! Oh my gulay! Are you... Oh no! No! Please no! Yeah! Okay, we friends. Yeah! Yeah, baby! Here! Oh no! No, do not kill me! Okay. You're my friend now. Oh no, my God, do this! No! She's our friend! No! And the bacon! He's our friend! Oh no, ano nangyari sa'yo? I think wala na. Wala na. It's over for you. You're dead. This is your kasama. Yes!
Yeah, baby! That's
Yes,
what I've been
yeah,
waiting for.
yeah.
That's what it's all about. Woo!
Yes. Thank you. Where's our real friend? Here he is. Okay. Please let me be murder. Yeah. Ba't ako lagi? Wow. Just let me be murder. I'm good. Kala ko player. Is there behind the cinemas? Wait, I think I know this guy. I think I know this. Ayun ba yung nakatayo? Ito yung picture ng nakatayo. Yan. Yan. Ayun ba yun? They have the same glasses. Let's go. Okay, I will sit. Sit. May dumaan. May dumaan. Oh no, may dumaan. Oh, there's a car. Ano ka dyan? Oh no, pumitim tayo. Tininin, tininin, tininin. Ba't sila naglalakad sa ano? They hack. No hack allowed. No hack. No hack. No hack. No hack. No hack. No hack. No hack allowed because it's so bad. Ba't sila nagja-jump scare? See? Kaya lang ka nakakita ng ganyan. Wait a minute. Di kita trust. You not my friend. And my friend only trust. Tininin. Tininin. No, I'm not a murderer. I'm not the murderer. See, I'm good. Ask him, Yami. Oh, grafty. Okay. Item 8K1. Tignan nyo, yung hacker, may 96. Tapos, yung isa niyang kasama, 16. Tapos tayo, we are 1. See? We are 1. Ay, no. 3. Wait a minute. Are you the murderer? I think siya yung murderer. I think, oh. No. No.